Hi students, so myself Dr. Virangana. Okay, so I am a chemistry professor. So today I am going to discuss about how to calculate number of isomers, how to find out number of isomers in a given organic compound by using a simple trick. Because of it is a time-based process for number of calculations of isomers. For example, in C5H12, how many number of isomers are possible? So first, write down the structures. Because of time-wasting process for structures, how many isomers? We can check it out. How many primary isomers? How many secondary isomers? How many tertiary isomers are possible? Depending upon the structure. By using simple trick, you can easily find out the number of isomers in alkenes, alkynes and alcohol also. Okay. So by discussing one by one, first alkanes. In alkanes, how to calculate in alkanes saturated? Alkanes means saturated hydrocarbons. In saturated hydrocarbon, how to calculate number of isomers? First of all, students, what is isomer? What is isomerism? Means same molecular formula but different in structural arrangement, different in structures. That is called isomer. Same molecular formula but different in structure. Whether it depends upon the chain or position or anyone, but same molecular formula, different structure. That is called isomer. The type of isomers are found. For example, if the number of carbon atoms is 1, so how many isomers are possible? Number of carbons, number of isomers, So how many number of isomers? Only CH4 1. If number of carbon is 2, what is saturated? CH3. Alkene is only one is possible, only one structure. If number of carbons is 3, how many isomers are possible? Only possibility is one, CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, propane. So these are easy. Only one isomer. If number of carbons is 4, how many isomers are possible? CH3, CH2, CH2. It is one structure, butane, and one more structure is CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. How many isomers are possible? So 1, 2. These are two isomers. One is N-butane and isobutane. Okay, these are two. If number of carbon is 5, how many isomers are possible? Maybe 3. Check it out by using of structure. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is N-pentane. One is N-pentane, and another one is CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay. So this is the second structure. By methyl group shifted here means 2-methyl butane, 2-methyl butane. Both are same or not? So this is 2 structure. And one more is CH3, CH3 and CH3 and CH3. How many number of hydrogens first? 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 8, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Here also 12. 4, 3 here 12. So same molecular formula or not? How many isomers are possible? 3 isomers are possible for 5 carbon. So it is time-based process or not? Time-based process. By writing the structures and count down the structures, it is possible or not? So by using the simple thing, so up to 7 carbons now. Up to 7 carbons, the formula is 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. Okay. So this is the formula for up to 7 carbon. We can check it out. 5. If n is 5, 2 power 5 minus 4 plus 1, that is equals to 2 power 1 plus 1, that is equals to how many isomers? isomers are possible? 3. So by using the formula is 3 is correct or not? And next this is 2. This is 2 means 2 power n is equals to n is number of carbon atoms. N is number of carbon atoms. N is number of carbon atoms. If n is equals to 4 means 2 power 4 minus 4 plus 1. 2 power 4 minus 4 means 2 power 0 plus 1. 2 power 0 means 1. That is equals to 2. How many isomers are possible for C4H10? 2. So by using the formula also correct or not? So it is the lengthy process. By using this formula, up to 7 carbons, 2 power n minus plus 1 is the simple formula for calculation of number of isomers in a saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, alkanes. This formula is eligible for only alkanes. 2 power n minus 4 up to only 7 carbon. 7 carbon. After 7 carbon, formula is different. Okay, so this is the simple. For example, if n is equals to 8, number of carbons is 8, the formula is different. That is 2 power n minus 4 plus 2. This is the formula of number of carbon is 8. So keep in mind. So if the number of carbon atoms is 8, the formula is 1. So how many isomers? 2 power 8 minus 4 plus 2, that is equals to 2 power 8 minus 4. 2 power 8 minus 4. 2 power 8 minus 4 means 2 power 4 plus 2, that is equals to 2 power 4 means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 plus 2, that is equals to 18 isomers are possible. And next, if number of carbons is 9, formula also different. 2 power n minus 4 plus 3. This is the formula of number of carbon atoms is 9. Number of carbon atoms is 9. So 2 power 9 minus 4 plus 3, that is equals to 2 power 9 minus 4 means 2 power 5 plus 3. 2 power 5 means, so 2 power 4 is 16. 64 2 is 32. So 32 plus 3. So total 35 number of isomers are possible for number of carbons is 9. But number of carbons is 10. That formula also different. So 2 power n minus 4 plus 1 plus total number of carbon atoms. Total number of carbon. This is the formula for if number of carbons is 10. 2 power n minus 4 plus 1 plus total number of carbon atoms. For example, C10H22. How many number of isomers are possible for C10H22? So by using of this formula, so 2 power 10 minus 4 plus 1 plus how many number of carbon atoms? 10. So 10, that is equals to 2 power 6 plus 1 plus 10, that is the 2 power 6 is the 64 plus 11, that is equals to 75 isomers are possible for molecular formula is C10H22. Okay, so this is the formula for calculation of number of carbon atoms, calculation of number of isomers in saturated hydrocarbon. So up to 7 carbon formula 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. After 7 carbon, 8 carbon formula is different. That is 2 power n minus 4 plus carbon atoms, number of carbons, number of isomers. If number of carbons is 1 isomer. If number of carbons is 2, 1 isomer. If number of carbons is 3, 2 isomers. If number of carbons is 4, 4 isomers. If number of carbons is 5, 8 isomers. Okay, so keep it in mind. So these are the simple trick. Number of carbons is 1 isomer, 2 means 1 isomer, 3 means 2 isomers, and 4 means 4 isomers, 5 means 8 isomers. For example, in the last so many times repeated, C4H10O. The given molecular compound is C4H10O. How many isomers are possible? How many isomers? 4. Okay. So before going to discuss about means you don't know about this trick, how to calculate number of isomers, but only one method, one way is the only one way, that is writing of structures. For example, one is 1 2 3 4, one alcohol. Okay, and another one is same 1 2 3 4 carbons. Disconnect the OH and attach the one position. If OH is attached to here also same alcohol, 2 alcohol, 2 butanol, here are 2 butanol. So this is 1, this is 2. And one more is simple trick. So first write down 4 lines, 4 bond length lines, attach the OH, and next 4 bond length, disconnect the OH and attach a different carbon, and next broken the 1 bond length carbon and attach the here. Okay, and next OH. This is also one of the isomer or not? Third isomer. And next fourth isomer. Here, and next fourth one is here. So to calculate 3, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. C4H10 or not? This is also one of the isomer or not? Total how many number of isomers? 4. Okay. So any one is possible. So by changing of this one, 4 carbons. You can check it out, number of hydrogens also same. So that is what is isomer, same molecular formula but different in structure. But 4 are different or not? Okay. So how many isomers are possible? C4H10? 4 isomers are possible. And next, how many isomers are possible for C5H12O? It is very important. How many isomers? Before knowing, so you don't know about the trick. So number of isomers, number of carbons is 5. How many isomers are possible? 8. So how to draw the number of 8 isomers? By using the bond length method. So 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So terminal OH group is attached, and this is the one structure. And another same 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so OH is here attached. So this is the second one. And next, this is second position, and OH will attach to third position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third position. This is different structure or not? 3 isomers. Any one is possible by using of only 5 carbons. Disconnect the another bond. Only 4 carbons attached to this bond length and again attached to OH. This is also different or not? So 4 isomer. And next, what about 5th isomer? Same, write down 4 lines here, and next here also mentioned it. Here OH group. So here 5th. What about 6th? And next 6th one is, if you draw the 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. This is also different or not? 6. Okay. And next, what about next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also different or not? So 7. And next one more is, how many number of isomers? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is. Next, this is OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon OH. This is also different or not? So 8. Any one is possible. So no one. All are different structure or not? Different structure but same molecular formula. What is the molecular formula? C5H12O. So this is the lengthy process by drawing the structure, counting the number of isomers. So up to 5 carbons. This is the simple trick to calculation of number of isomers in a given organic compound. Okay. So you can practice by using of this method. Okay. So this is the calculation of number of isomers in alkanes, alkenes, alkynes and alcohols. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel students. Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT JEE NEET Academy. Please subscribe.